How do I permanently delete iMessages from both sides?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete iMessages from both sides. Whether you want to clean up your message history or remove sensitive information, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started.
Disabling message sync.
To begin, we need to disable message sync to prevent messages from being stored in iCloud. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. 3. Select iCloud from the list. 4. Scroll down and find Messages. 5. Toggle off the switch next to Messages to disable message syncing with iCloud. By disabling message sync, your messages will no longer be backed up to iCloud, ensuring that they are not accessible from other devices.
Deleting messages from your device.
Now that we've disabled message sync, let's move on to deleting the messages from your device itself. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Find the conversation or specific message you want to delete. 3. Swipe left on the conversation or message to reveal the Delete button. 4. Tap on Delete to remove the conversation or message. Remember, this will only delete the messages from your device. They might still be visible on other devices if message sync was previously enabled.
Requesting deletion from recipients.
To ensure the messages are deleted from the recipient's devices as well, you can request that they delete the conversation. Here's how you can approach this. 1. Open the Messages app on your device. 2. Find the conversation you want to be deleted from the recipient's devices. 3. Tap and hold on the conversation to bring up the Options menu. 4. Select More from the menu that appears. 5. Select the additional conversations you want to delete, if applicable. 6. Tap on the trash can icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. 7. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete Conversation. By requesting deletion from the recipients, you increase the chances of the messages being removed from their devices as well. That's it. By following these steps, you can permanently delete iMessages from both sides. Remember to disable message sync, delete messages from your device, and request deletion from the recipients to ensure a comprehensive removal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and have a great day.